In today's video, I want to show you how we managed to go on holiday. We did not stay at a 5-star hotel, people. We kept it simple. It is the morning before we leave, and I wanted to show you guys the packing list that I made last night and what I wrote, so that right now I would just want to go and pack everything so that by afternoon I want everything packed and in suitcases. So I just write down I write down each child's name in a column, and then I write down exactly what they need. Now, you might think that it is obvious that what child A needs is what child B will need, but that's not necessarily the case, because yes, we'll be gone for 4 days, and yes, for each child I've packed 7 shorts and 7 t-shirts just in case, because you know accidents happen, these are kids. And yes, each child has sandals, shoes, pairs of socks, a sweater, and everything might look exactly copy-paste, but you can see for child 2, he has a bit of a chest problem, so he feels cold and will end up coughing quite a bit. So for him, I make sure I pack a jacket. Or on the other hand, child 3 doesn't really like to wear sweaters and everything. But this is child 2 and child 3 is one and the same because they are twins. But my daughter is the younger twin. So for her, I only pack 1 sweater because chances are she won't even wear it. For the boys, yes, they normally would wear it. And also, of course, for child 4, I pack diapers because he's 3, he's still using diapers at night and every so often. So yes, so basically I like to write it down, and also as I'm writing down what I'm packing for each child, I also make sure I pack, like, let's say any medication that this child might need. So let's say child 1 has allergies, so I'll pack cetirizine for him. Child 2, that's her son with a bit of a chest issue, so when I get here, I remember I need to pack an inhaler for him, and so on and so forth. Great lunch to make for the kids, especially when you're not in your own kitchen. This is basically just ugali with yogurt. I had to buy yogurt because I'm not in my own kitchen. And cucumber salad. I'm really excited. You guys, this salad is amazing. I learned from my friend Flo from church. It's gorgeous, and I'm sure the kids will love this. So we have our carbs, we have our protein, and we have our veggies. Simple. Took me what, 10 minutes to make, and it's delicious. Ooh, kwanza these ones. Weh. Okay, we'll replace that one. making fried rice for lunch, which is better done with a cold plate of rice straight from the fridge. This was from last night. And lunch is served. Very nice and easy fried rice that has greens. It has protein. Yes, it's sausage, but it's protein. For today, we'll call it protein. Yes. One boy child is already being fed because he was so tired and sleepy from the beach. That's his plate. Yep. Awesome. Love it. Exciting and fun was that? And I will see you there. Thank you guys. It's so amazing. Bye.